Welcome to the first Fighting Scots Sports Report of the 2015-16 academic year. I am Tyler Trumbauer. We kick things off with Borough football, who will do the same this week. Scots will open up the season Thursday evening at Sox Harrison Stadium when they host St. Joe's of Indiana at 6 p.m. It'll be a different team from last year. Jake Sisson looks to be the starter under center for Borough, and Darren Massey, a preseason Division II All-American, will lead the receiving corps along with Connor Holland and Alex Caratelli as well. Colby Hughes is unfortunately missing from that group, but the Scots still look to continue some success from late in last season. If you can't make it out to this game this Thursday, you can watch it on ETV on Edinboro.tv online or listen to it on WFSC 88.9 with Mike Fenner and myself on the call. The women's soccer team will get its season underway just a few days after the boys of fall here at Sox Harrison Stadium. The ladies will have to replace 6 starters from last year, including goalkeeper Megan Kelly, who owns nearly every goalkeeping statistical record, and all-time leading scorer Liz Debo, as well as Becca Costello, who was the first Fighting Scots women's soccer player to earn All-American honors. The ladies open up the season on September 3rd, which is Thursday, at Clarion at 7 p.m., and have their first home game on Saturday, September 5th at 1 p.m. The women's volleyball team won't be playing at home for quite a while, but nonetheless, its season starts on Friday, September 4th in the Hall of Fame City Challenge. The squad remains mostly intact, including Jen Gruber and Sydney Squid Trathan, who had a sensational freshman season starting out of the gate. Additionally, senior Mara Maycock will be back for her final campaign as a Fighting Scot, but potentially in a new position as a libero, as she will be replacing the graduated Haley Merritt. The ladies' first home match of their 2015 campaign will be on September 29th against Damon College of New York. The men's and women's cross-country teams already had one event this season, their annual alumni meet, but have another home meet this Saturday morning. The men's team lost leader Matt Link to graduation, but most of its core remains from a year ago as they're ranked 3rd in the preseason polls. The ladies lost Emily Aarons, Casey Jones, and others from the PSAC and Atlantic Regional Championship team, but are picked 2nd in the PSAC preseason coaches poll. That's all for this week. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at ETV Sports to stay up to date on all the latest Borough athletic happenings.